The service will begin September 18th.
Oh, yay.
We prepared a video to show you what's
like they're acting like we're excited to pay for the thing we weren't paying for the last year and a half. Great. Maybe I won't. Oh, that's the same day as the Mario 10. Is it? No, that's the 19th. Or is it the 18th? Alright, alright. Well, let's see if maybe they'll show the free games you get.
Allow us to introduce 5 features included with your membership.
Okay, okay. I see NES stuff there. That's good. I want to see that. Yeah, that's already
Of course,
included.
You can play compatible games together online, even when you're far apart.
Alright. Shouldn't advertise that as like a cool little feature.
World over.
You should stop talking about it right now. You should go to the next thing.
Team up for some great co-op action. There are so many ways to have fun. A variety of games are supported. So find your favorites and take them online.
You mean every game that has online, right? Alright, alright, alright. Okay, hold on. What?
You can even play classic NES
all of them?
games anytime, anywhere on Nintendo Switch. Get lost in the gameplay, whether you're the boss or the little monster. For multiplayer games, each player can grab a Joy-Con controller. So both of you can share in the fun.
Okay, alright, alright. I'm going to assume everything that was on the NES Classic.
Online.
I'm not sure what was on it, though. So.
Playing together long distance makes the heart grow fonder.
I couldn't find one.
Look forward to a growing library of NES games.
Okay, alright. I'm Metroid. Oh, nice. Yeah, okay.
Luigi knows that no matter how careful you try to be, something unexpected can happen. Accidents can cause your precious save data to disappear.
Disappointed in his brother.
But help is on the way.
I would be too if
With Nintendo Switch Online, game save data is automatically backed up in the cloud. Even if your console breaks, your save data will be safe from harm.
Alright, so that comes free with this. Alright, that might actually be worth it right
Nintendo
there for a year.
Switch Online
so all the NES stuff.
also connects
Not the
with
save,
a
the cloud
smartphone
save too.
With this app, you can voice chat with friends while playing certain games.
Why don't I just call them? Do a conference call, there you go, bam.
Backseat players can also join in the conversation. That way everyone's having fun.
I don't want them to have fun though. I'm not here for fun. I'm
The
here to
service
win.
even has the ability to enhance certain games by connecting with them, like Splatnet 2.
Okay, alright.
Members will also receive special offers.
What's the first?
What are they? We'll have more to announce in the future.
Oh! Come on!
More games.
Come on
more
now.
features. More
Well, the
fun.
NES thing was cool. So that was cool. Alright.
Nintendo Switch Online.
Alright.
The service begins September 18th.
But what's the first?
Think about which plan is right for you.
That's not
If
bad.
your family has 2
3
or more
months
accounts,
for $8.
you can save some money with the family membership.
How's it look?
I don't know,
Well, we have one more
I know a
thing
couple people
we'd
that
like
have
to
to
introduce.